Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to properly use the laundry detergent pots in our front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung front load washing machine, but these steps could be applicable for other brand front load washing machines too. We have used powder detergents and liquid detergents regularly, but when it comes to laundry pots or detergent capsules, sometimes it could be confusing, especially about the fact where we have to put them. Laundry pots are these cute little capsules. They are usually filled with three liquids, one for stain removal, one for cleaning and fabric care, and one for fragrance. They try to simplify the process by combining all the necessary stuff into a single pot like this. If we are holding this and if we are kids, then we might be tempted to bite this or even swallow this because this looks like jelly candy. So we have to educate our kids about what this is, or we can completely hide this from them, and we have to store this in a cool dry place as well because the outer film layer is fragile. Usually if we are going to add powder or liquid detergent, then we have to open this detergent drawer and we will have compartments for main wash, fabric softener and pre-wash. But when we plan to use these detergent capsules, then we should not put them here. We should not put them here or here or here. We just have to close this and we have to open the drum. And we have to place this inside at the bottom here like this. We have to place that here. We have shared the product links in the description along with other useful washing machine videos. You can check that out after watching this video if you are interested. We don't have to open this or anything. We just have to casually place this inside, and we have to do this before we put our clothes inside. That is something we have to keep in mind. So before we put our clothes inside, we have to figure out the total load we have. If we plan to put a lot of clothes, then we can use 2 laundry pots, and if we plan to wash just a few clothes, then we are good to go with just a single one. These are sealed in a dissolvable film, so we have to make sure our hands are not wet, and even though they look small, they are concentrated, so they have enough detergent inside, because sometimes we might think, oh, like, okay, this capsule is small, maybe this is not enough, let's add a few more. But no, we don't have to do that. We are going to use 2 laundry pots. We just have to keep it at the bottom back like this and place our clothes at the top of this like this. I will fill the drum and get back to you. So I have added my clothes. Now I'm going to switch on. Close the drum. Usually these pots will dissolve better in hot or warm water, but some pots do work well in cold water too. And we can avoid quick wash settings for this since the dissolvable film inside might take some time to work. Please correct me if I am wrong. We can use any general wash cycle like cotton or bedding or delicate shirts. We can try like this. I'm going to go with cotton now. Okay, and I'm going to start the machine. That's all. The detergent capsule pots are inside the drum and not in the detergent drawer. So we have to keep that in mind. So it will take around 1 hour to complete this. I'll get back to you after that. Okay, so the wash cycle got completed. Let me take the clothes out to dry them. I couldn't find any residue on the clothes while drying them. They look fine to me, just like how we use liquid detergent. So should we use these laundry pots all the time instead of using the standard powder or liquid detergent? People try these pots because they don't have time to measure the liquid or powder detergent quantity all the time, or they are tired of cleaning the detergent compartment all the time, or it is just simple to use maybe, but there is only one way to solve this confusion. We just have to buy one and see if it is really helpful or not. That's all. These are the steps to properly use laundry detergent pots in front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.